am Josh Sullivan, lead meteorologist with Topeka Storm Chasers, and this is the 3/9/2013 severe weather forecast. Um, I've looked at the recent ECMWF, the European model, the North American model, the NAM, and the GSF, the American model. And they're in agreement on some sort of severe weather event happening from North Texas down to Mexico. Mainly going to be winds and hail, although I'm not going to rule out the possibility of a tornado. This, I say it goes up into Kansas, almost to Nebraska. If I click this other tab, the Storm Prediction Center is saying it goes into Nebraska. Lincoln is just outside of it. But I say San Antonio, Abilene, Dallas, Wichita Falls, Waco. I say they're going to be included in the severe weather event. Going up into Oklahoma City is going to have a lesser event, and then Wichita is going to have a lesser event, and Topeka, which is where I'm at, is going to have a lesser chance. But the main, if it does go up north into Topeka and Wichita and Oklahoma City and Norman, it's probably going to just be a wind event. But go down south into Texas, and that's where you get the better chances for some isolated supercells spawning from this. With this whole low pressure system right here, there is enough convection for a severe weather event. Out ahead of this, though, there has been some average temperatures, or above average for some parts, in the 60s here in Topeka, and 70s down south of Topeka. So there's the heating there, and but there is a strong upper level low spinning out with this. It originated down in California, and it took the energy out of one that was actually forming up in Pacific Northwest off the coast of Washington and Oregon. And I thought that was going to be the main one, but then this one came from south by California and took the energy out of it. But overnight tonight into March 9th is probably going to see some in West Texas, some isolated hail and wind events. There's already in New Mexico been some high wind reports. This one says 55 miles per hour. Oh, and we have a severe thunderstorm warning in the Texas Panhandle currently. Let's see. Yes, this is also a source from a mesonet near Deaf Smith, Texas. Thunderstorm wind gust of 58 miles per hour was observed. This is southwest of Amarillo. It looks just like rain events from this, but actually, if I'm looking at this, I think this is a false report. I don't think it was thunderstorm related at all. But anyways, back to tomorrow, the 9th. Things are looking to be, for at least for Kansas, this is going to be our first thunderstorms of 2013. I'm not going to bet on them being strong, but I am going to bet on a very, very, very slim chance of them producing lightning. Maybe some pea-sized hail, but they're not going to be that strong. But yeah, looking at, I've just got the models in animation right now. The Texas Oklahoma panhandles for tonight are going to be the best spots. But tomorrow it's going to be Texas, from Mexico up to Texas, up to Oklahoma. But nowhere else is going to see a greater chance for severe.